Hey again! Now that you've recorded your voiceover, let's talk about how to improve the audio quality using some simple tools in Audacity. Don't worry, it's easier than it sounds. First, open your recorded audio project in Audacity. If you just recorded it, you should see the waveform right there. To start, click anywhere on the waveform and press Ctrl+A or CMD+A on Mac to select the entire audio. Now, go to the top menu and click Effect, Normalize. This effect makes sure the loudest parts of your audio hit a good volume level without distortion. Just click OK on the pop-up. This helps balance your overall volume. Next up, we want to make your voice sound clearer and more natural. Go back to Effect and look for Filter Curve EQ, or it might say Equalization, depending on your version. Here, you can boost certain frequencies. Voices usually sound better when you gently increase the mid-range and high frequencies, between about 1 kHz and 5 kHz. Just drag the curve up a little in that range. Don't overdo it, or it'll sound harsh. Click OK when done. If your audio sounds a bit flat or uneven, try using Effect Butterbow Compressor. This smooths out volume differences between loud and soft parts, making it easier to listen to. In the compressor settings, you can keep the defaults and just hit OK. You can always undo and try different settings to see what sounds best. Once you've applied these effects, hit play to listen. You should notice your voice sounds more balanced, clear, and professional. Remember, less is more here. Small adjustments can make a big difference. That's it for improving your audio quality. Next, I'll show you how to remove unwanted background noise so your voiceovers sound even cleaner.